Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing all things St. Patty's Day, so let's get started. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. Also, leave me a comment on which project was your favorite for St. Patty's Day. So I started with some prep work on some painting. And the first thing that I have is, I'm going to show you what I painted, is I started with, I have this kind of crate, little crate that I started with, and I painted them, I painted them green, kind of a St. Patty's green, and I have two of them. So these are two baskets that I made, and what I'm going to try to do, and we'll see if it works, is I just need something in the bottom so that some stuff can stick out of it at the top. So I'm going to try to take this stuff, just kind of garland-ish stuff, and stretch it all out and push it all up and kind of just make it so that it's a face and the bottom of the basket. Perfect. Perfect. Just some filler for the bottom of the basket. Now I have these gold coins and these clovers, and I put them in the top. Oh, they're cute. Couple gold coins, and voila, just a little basket that's decorated to sit on a shelf. Just a little basket that's decorated, sit on a shelf. And the other one the same way. I painted this kind of crate that has no grooves in the middle, and I turned them upside down, and I'm going to use them for little stacks of books. So, and put little sayings on the stacks of books. That one's all green. This one's 2 shades of green. This one's orange and 2 shades of green. And this one is white. Third, I had these kind of shape, which makes perfect books if you use 3 of them. And I painted 2 of them green and 1 of them white to put in the middle of them. Then I'm going to do a book stacker with that. Then I had these square blocks that I'm going to put some sort of saying on the one side, and I painted them both white. These window clings at the Dollar Tree. So what we're going to try is we're going to decoupage a couple of these onto these white blocks. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my decoupage. I'm going to put a coat of decoupage onto my block. Really light, like that. Then I'm going to put my little cling down. Then I'm going to decoupage over it. And that is pretty simple. I like that. So I'm just putting a light coat of my decoupage on here. I have the ideal now on my other ones. Haha. There's lots full of sass. And then I'm going to decoupage on top of it. With a light coat. And then when it dries, I will try to cut the very edges off. But I like the window clean thing. Lastly, I have these blocks that are just square little blocks, and we're going to put different little St. Patty's Day stuff on them. I have this light green color. 4 of them I'm going to say luck on them. So, and then I did the white. All right, so we have L, U, C, and pay. Luck. All right, so that's one. Cute, cute, cute. Super easy. So there you have L, a clover for the O, V, E. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, that's cute. That is cute. I like that. I do like that. All right. And last but not least, I'm going to do one more, and I'm going to use this little hat that has some clovers coming down out of it. And I'm going to do the same thing. Oops. I'm touching where I... Oh, those I really like. I really like those. All right, all my little boxes and all my little stackable books and all my blocks and all my just decorative little crates, I think they turned out so cute, and I'm gonna love decorating with them. Okay, our next project is going to be to make a floating pot of gold. So what I did was I took this spoon, and Mark helped me bend it, so my husband is so amazing, but we're gonna hot glue it to the plate, and then we're gonna hot glue it to the pot up here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of hot glue on this. And we're gonna glue that right there. Hold it for a minute. Hot. Hot, 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 hot. Hold it there for a minute. Maybe more than a minute. It does not want to stick. Sticking to me. All right. Now we're going to take another piece of hot glue it down here. And hot glue it to the plate. Hot glue it to the plate. Now we're going to take our coins, and we're going to cover the plate and cover the spoon so that it looks like the gold is just pouring out of the pot. There is my tree. other tree. My snowman's still out. And my other tree. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna do something I've never done before. So this could turn out really good or really bad, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna do mug toppers, and I'm gonna make a top for these mugs that make it look, well that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work, but that will work. All right, so I'm gonna make a topper for these mugs to make it look like whipped cream in the top. And so that's what we're gonna do next. And I'm gonna move you in really close so you can see what I'm doing and not so much my things that I do wrong. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, to do this, we're gonna be using some regular caulking that you use like for your windowsills or your restroom, you know, your tubs or whatever you use caulking on around your house. So we're gonna be trying to use this, and we're gonna be using some pastry kind of things. So that's what we're doing. All right, I got 2 of these that I cut in half. So I just did a little ball and I cut it in half. The bottom layer is kind of the hardest, and then once you get it up a little bit, it's easier. But the bottom little layer is hard. And again, I'm not a pastry chef, so I haven't done this before. I will get better at this. Plus, I know what I'm going to get next time to try. It's a more crafty kind of thing. The lady at Hobby Lobby told me to use the caulking, and it's working. These are so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna clean up and I'm gonna let all of those dry really good. I think they turned out so beautiful. I love them. Okay, I'm gonna tell you that these are my favorite. They're gonna go on my 2 trays, and I just love them. I like how the decoupage clings did. I like the cups. I like the foam toppings. I couldn't be more happy with my first attempt to do the whole foam stuff in the top. All right, there's my pillow covers. Luck. Lucky. Luck. and lucky. All right, these are how my crate turned out. I really like how that looks. It looks so St. Patty's Day, all green and festive. I like it. And my flowers and my vases and my other crate over there. They all turned out really cute. So I have to say that I really love how everything turned out for St. Patty's Day, and the green colors look really good with the colors of my living room with all the gray paneling and stuff. It just turned out amazing. So there will be a follow-up to this for St. Patty's Day with some tiered tray decorations, and then we will be getting into Easter, one of my favorites to decorate for. So I'm looking forward to that. I've never decorated for St. Patrick's Day before. So I have to say that I really love how everything turned out. So I will see you on the next video.